You might have heard about pinching plants for more blooms and to make them stronger. I did a video about this with Cosmos recently, and now I'm going to show you how to do it with Dahlias or Dahlias. I hear lots of different pronunciations. Basically, what we're going to do is cut off a portion of this plant, one of the branching out stems, and that is going to make the plant a lot stronger in future, because when we cut a part of it off, 2 more stems will come from that cut, making the plant a lot more bushier, giving us more flowers overall. So the plant isn't just growing upwards really straggly, it'll be growing outwards, which is better for the plant overall. So the simple way of doing this is go right to the bottom of your dahlia and count up. So here we go. We've got 2 sets of leaves here, which you can see. I'm trying to get to focus, but yeah, look there, 1, 2, okay, and then the one in the middle. So we're gonna count up now. So we're gonna go 1, 2 to another set, and then 3. And now that we're at that 3rd set, sorry, it's really hard to focus this at the moment. It's being so annoying. Right, now that we're at that 3rd set in the middle, that really tall one that's coming up, we're actually going to cut that. Now I know this seems really scary, but trust me, do it and your plant will thank you. There. So as you can see, I have made a cut right in the middle. Once I counted up, 1, 2, 3, I cut it in the middle of that, and I've taken this piece off. And now your plant will be a lot stronger. It's as simple as that. You can also get this little cutting and put it into some soil somewhere, just pop it in really, and it will start to grow tubers from that, which is absolutely incredible. So you don't have to just throw these cuttings away. You can actually get more plants from them. Yes, they will be smaller than this guy, which I grew on a head in my greenhouse, but still. And also you can see I've got like another shoot going here. You can do the exact same thing. It would be this little tiny one in the middle that I cut off. So yeah, definitely do this with your dahlias. They will be thanking you a lot. Make sure to subscribe for more gardening content.